Carbon monoxide poisoning may seem like a problem that only comes up in the winter, but Fire Chief Harold tells us why that's incorrect and what you should watch out for year-round. Every year, over 400 people die in the U.S. from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning. Unfortunately, 4 young people from Massachusetts joined that statistic last week when the generator in a vacation home in Maine started fuming.
Carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas that is put off by anything that burns in different quantities. And the poorer the fuel, the poorer the burning, the more carbon monoxide you may get. That's why, for example, if you have a poorly functioning oil furnace and it doesn't have a hot flame or it's not working correctly, more carbon monoxide can be put off. As a result, those places that have those poorly operating heating systems are a higher threat.
More than 20,000 people visit the emergency room and more than 4,000 are hospitalized each year from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Well, it's so dangerous because what it does in the process of being taken into the body, it replaces the oxygen. And the oxygen can't be uptaken into the body as a result of that. So the carbon monoxide prevents you from taking in oxygen, the carbon monoxide takes over, and therefore the body becomes oxygen starved. And that's why it can result in several symptoms such as a mild headache, some nauseousness, some blurry-eyed, or some difficulty breathing, and the eventuality it gets worse. And it can be fatal.
Known as the invisible killer, carbon monoxide is put off by anything that burns, including generators, stoves, lanterns, or gas ranges.
Well, it's actually dangerous any time of the year because any time you have an open flame or anything that burns, you have the potential for carbon monoxide production. You know, in the middle of the summer, in the middle of the winter, it can still be a problem. So it's present in any time you burn an outdoor grill, charcoal, or at any time you're cooking in your home with a gas stove. So actually, any time of the year can present issues for carbon monoxide.
Massachusetts law requires most residences to install carbon monoxide alarms on every level of a home, including portions of basements and attics. On levels with sleeping areas, the alarms must be placed within 10 feet of the bedroom doors.
If you are renting an apartment, they are also supposed to be provided with these devices.
To get more information about the requirements of the law, contact the Marlborough Fire Department at 508-624-6986.